Hey, I'm working on this 2014 Grand Cherokee, baby. That's right, man. You Caravan lovers, you Chrysler Town and Country lovers, man. This car is in for, I should say the battery keep dying and it won't hold a charge. So, you know how I do, man. I like to verify the complaint. I like to find out if the car actually doing what the customers say it's doing. And that's easy enough to do. I'm gonna hook up my charging or electrical system tester and find out where my voltage at. And first I'm gonna check for some fault codes, see if there's any fault codes. So without further ado, man, let's get right into this diagnosis. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, first, right off the bat, I see a problem right here. We have got to correct this battery connection right here on the negative side, okay? These aftermarket connectors or terminals do not secure properly. For some reason, they just will not make the proper contact and will allow the proper amperage to flow through them. So we have to get that out. Now what I have here is a factory OEM battery terminal. This is a 2014 model, so it is replaceable. On some you cannot replace the terminal, but this one we can. So I will replace this terminal real quickly. It don't take long to do at all, and that should get you back up and running. Remember, that affects the entire electrical system of the car, so these battery connections have to be on. All right, man, there you have it. Thanks for watching, man. I got this battery all the way back the way it's supposed to be. I got the connections tight. As you can see, this is a 2014 model, which means the terminals are replaceable. Okay, it's the 2011 and the 2012 and the 2013s is the ones that's you cannot replace the terminal because it's built into the engine harness. All right, the 2014 battery terminals are replaceable. All right, so there you have it, man. I got this car back charging the way it's supposed to. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.